Which products that the biggest natural stone manufacturer from Vietnam provide? Hello guys, I'm David, Business Development of VHS. Currently, Viet Home Stone offers more than 200 product designs, from marble mosaic to ledger stone. 1. Marble mosaic. Our marble mosaics collection, with its wide range of colors, textures and different surface options, offer a unique usage area for designers looking for both modern and classic styles. Two. Ledger stone wall panel. Ledger wall tiles offer the rustic yet clean look of split-face, tightly stacked stone, with a classic chiseled style ideal for enhancing interior walls, kitchen backsplashes, fireplace walls, shower walls, and exterior walls. Our global network of partners allows us to meet the requirements and needs of any type of project. Whether you're looking for the luxury of premium marble mosaic or the natural beauty of ledger stone, our team can provide for you. Check out our website, viethomestone.com.vn, for more inspiration for your next design project. If you found this video helpful, just leave a thumbs up, subscribe and tell us which videos you want to see in the future. Thanks for watching our video.